Good morning, all. Honorable Minister for Minor Irrigation and Science and Technology, Government of Karnataka, Sri N.S. Basavaraju, sir. Honorable Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Sri Dinesh Gundurao, sir. Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Horticultural Sciences, Dr. Vishnuvardhan Saab, Dr. S. Venkatsaran, Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Ramesh Saab, Chief Executive Officer, KSTA, the most respected Dandin sir, former Vice Chancellor, University of Horticultural Sciences, Bagalkot, dignitaries of the dais, scientists from across the country and Karnataka state, from different organizations, the illustrious staff of KSTA, research scholars, students, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very happy, delighted that I have been invited to attend this prestigious national conference on exploring nature's pharmacy, potential of medicinal and aromatic plants and their conservation. I was just requested by Honorable Dandin sir. He's a mentor-like figure for all of us. I happen to be the director presently of Indian Council of Agriculture Research Institute, that is Directorate of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants Research at Anand, Gujarat. And Dandin sir happened to be our Honorable Chairman Research Advisory Council. So he was a kind of mentor for all of us. And he's a knowledge repository on medicinal and aromatic plants. Thank you, sir, for calling me here, for inviting me here. Then also I received a call from Honorable Dr. Ayappan sir that Manish, you have to come, but he's not here. I have come to know that he is attending at the meeting, important meeting. So I am missing you, Ayappan sir. I've been working on medicinal and aromatic plants for the last 20 years. I worked as scientist at Directorate of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants Research. Then for a brief stint of 10 years, I was in the Ministry of Agriculture at ICAR, the headquarters. And the last year, I got selected as director and joined DMAPR. Now it is 2 years gone, 3 years left to shoulder the responsibility of a director. When I got this appointment, I was told that you have challenges to kind of revive medicinal and aromatic plant sector. I did not understand the real essence of the challenges that I have been told to accept. Though I knew as a researcher, I knew as a scientist that there are many things to be done in this sector. Because many things are happening, and they are definitely happening. Number one challenge, climate change. Related to climate change, there are biotic, abiotic stresses. Then, in medicinal and aromatic plants, I think nobody is talking about improvisation, improvement that is required in this sector. Improvement scientifically. I absolutely agree with our Honorable Minister sir. Just now he has said that scientific study, scientific approach needs to be considered. That means we have to focus on improvisation. Whatever is available in this country, our country is a huge repository of medicinal aromatic plants, and since ages everybody knows about it. But we have to deal with improvement in those medicinal aromatic plants. Number one. Number two, the quality. As Honorable Minister Sir has said, quality. I would draw your attention that every Tom, Dick and Harry in this country produces a product, herbal product. N number of products are there, herbal products are there in the market. In every corner, in every shop, you'll find something related to ashwagandha, something related to isabgol, something related to aloe vera, something related to any medicinal plant. We do not know about the quality, as Honorable Minister has said. Quality of those products. This needs to be, understood. We cannot make mockery of the rich system that we have. Now, in the morning, our respected seniors, elders, they were talking about China. It's a big challenge for us. You know what are the products that come to our country, Chinese products. You buy any product, Chinese product, in Indian market, the shopkeeper will tell there is no guarantee of this product. But when there is Indian product, there is guarantee. So what we do in our country, we talk about quality. But yes, I know there are dents who make these dents to make ourselves, ridiculed by others. That is why I absolutely agree with our Honorable Minister Sir. Quality is very, very important. We cannot dilute quality. There are n number of products, n number of herbal industries in this country, and they claim if a product is there, X product, you'll find names of 3, 4, 5, 6 medicinal plants would be there. But believe me, if you validate, if you just verify it, you will not find any one of them. Recently, on one of our studies, there is a product of Arjun bark. It is claimed, yes, Arjun bark is the bark, for cardiovascular kind of thing, heart, medicine. Arjun bark is very, very important medicinally. Now, when we tested it through TLC, we didn't find any Arjun bark. We didn't find. And there were 8 such products we collected from the market. We did not find Arjun bark. In one product, slight active ingredient was found. But in other, it was not there. So if you do it scientifically, if you do verify, you will not find any such, medicinal plant in those. Many products are in the market, they say ashwagandha, ashwagandha, ashwagandha. When you take this, you don't find the impact of those medicinal plants. Now, Honorable Minister has said very important thing, dushparinam. Dushparinam, consequence of those products is very, very bad. So, let us be ready to face those challenges. You have to correct ourselves. We have to be honest in our quality, in our disposal. And I would tell you, we as an organization, we as a research institution, our job is not to develop products. Our job is to make improvement in medicinal plants. If ashwagandha is there is active ingredient in ashwagandha. How much is there? Say 1%. Is 1% sufficient active ingredient in ashwagandha? May not be, not. Industry's demand are there. So we need to bring upon improvement in varieties. So our primary job is to bring improvement in those medicinal plants. There are many medicinal plants which need improvement so that industries do better, the stakeholders get the actual medicinal value of those medicinal plants. Number one. Number two, the good agricultural practices. Anybody is doing with medicinal plant cultivation without knowing the do's and don'ts of cultivation. So we need to look into those aspects. Now, these are all challenges. We are not considering those things while cultivating our medicinal aromatic plants. So these are very important. And one of the most important factors is demand and supply. Demand and supply. See, demand is very much there. There are n number of herbal industries, pharmaceutical industries producing n number of products in the country. And they need raw material. Where from they are getting raw material? If you see our area production kind of graph, it is a very sorry figure. And I don't know who is putting those, area production, data in the website elsewhere. It is very doubtful. The statistics is not, acceptable. It is not increasing. Now, area and production of medicinal plants is increased. It is some are shown 10,000 hectare, 10 million tons kind of thing, 10 lakh tons production. It's not like that. It has increased. To a high extent, it has increased. So we need to see those. There is demand. But this demand and supply needs to be regulated through policies. So this is very important. And supply of medicinal plants. Who will supply? How much will be supplied? To whom it will be supplied? What is the demand? These are all regulated. These should be all regulated. So when there is regulation and when there is quality assurance, when there will be traceability, then this sector will have its importance. This sector will have its position as it is desired to have. And yes, we can compete with China. So far as medicinal aromatic plants is concerned, now recent figure says that our export has increased more than China last 4 or 5 years. If you see the data, you will find the export has increased so far as raw material and value-added products are concerned. Our export has increased as compared to China. So we are in a good position. Our policies need to be understood. Our policies have to be very sound. And we need to reach to the farmers. We need to reach to the stakeholders through training, through awareness. I think every university should take up this job. Recently, I was in UHS Bagalkot, because of Dr. Dandin sir's interference. They have good, field gene bank of medicinal aromatic plants. The present Honorable Vice Chancellor has shown a lot of interest in medicinal plant. And I have told on behalf of my organization that we will have a voluntary center on medicinal aromatic plants, because Karnataka doesn't have any active center except Indian Institute of Horticulture Research in Bangalore. So we need to have a voluntary center of our All India Coordinated Research Project at UHS Bagalkot, so that in full-fledged medicinal research can be taken up. So I request you to send a letter to the our ministry or our council so that this can be taken up this year. And we have already initiated few programs with UHS Bagalkot because of interference of Honorable Vice Chancellor and Dr. Dandin sir. So I see a bright future in Karnataka so far as MAP, medicinal aromatic plants, is concerned. And when we have got talents here and we have got insight here, I'm sure in coming years we'll be able to do a lot of things in medicinal aromatic plants. A lot of things can happen and it can reach to the farmers, because farmers are very, very aware so far as medicinal aromatic plants is concerned in this state. So I thank you KSTA for inviting me here, giving me a platform to expose myself so far as ICAR is concerned. And I look forward to have greater collaboration with KSTA and the agriculture universities that we have in Karnataka in near future. I thank you once again. Jai Hind. Thank you.